Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for coming to my presentation. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Elin Sulistiowati, and I'm a student of Sriwijaya University. Next. Okay, so in this opportunity, I would like to present about an article. The title is How IKEA Took Over the World. I get the article from the Just Magazine's 2017, page 52 until 59. Next. In this presentation, I will explain to you about what is IKEA, how IKEA took over the world, and IKEA nowadays. Next. So, what is IKEA? According to Wikipedia, IKEA is a multinational conglomerate that designs and sells ready-to-assemble furniture, kitchen appliances, and home accessories, among other useful goods and occasionally home service. And it founded in Sweden in 1943 by Inger Kompart. Next. And now we're gonna talk about how IKEA took over the world. Michael Palmquist, the regional manager of retail for Asia Pacific, said, "The more global, the more complex it gets. IKEA is genius at selling, flat packing, transporting, and reassembling its quirky Swedish styling all across the planet." IKEA catalog also come in 32 languages and 67 versions, each reflecting local customers and custom. Nearly two-thirds, 64% of IKEA goods are made in Europe, 33% in Asia, and the rest in North America. Then, the more far away we go from our culture, the more we need to understand, learn, and adapt, says Michael Yelton, who had IKEA research. Rather than focus on the difference between cultures, it's his job to figure out where they intersect. And then IKEA's approach to global expansion uh, relies to thoughtful planning and careful consideration of cultural nuances. But the goal isn't, I mean, but the goal isn't to tweak product according to local markets. Instead, the brand applies insight to help customer see how IKEA products can fit into their lives. For the company, it isn't just a business model. Apparently, it's a mission, helping the many people and those with the thin wallets. We are guided by a vision to create a better everyday life for the many people, says IKEA's group CIO Peter. That's what street us, motivate us, and that's our role. Next. IKEA nowadays. IKEA has been the world's largest furniture retailer since 2008. It has become home furnishing retailer that was the world's largest seller of furniture in the early 21st century. Currently, there are 433 IKEA stores in 53 countries, employing 211,000 workers, and in this year it has posted total sales of 41.3 billion euro. Next. Okay, so in my opinion, IKEA can take over the world because it has a very good marketing strategy. It also pays attention to things in detail, such as implementing a flat pack in order to save space in truck and save on shipping costs. Their vision and mission is to offer various designs with bed designs, as well as highly functional home furnishings at affordable prices, so more people will buy them. IKEA also targets all age groups within the household. IKEA success is based on, IKEA's success is based on a major marketing strategy that has remained the same around the world. This year, the IKEA catalog has been produced in 62 editions in 29 languages for 42 countries. This is combined with an emphasis on customer with an emphasis this is combined with an emphasis on customer freedom of choice when it comes to buying and taking home products at low prices. And IKEA also maintains good relationships with material suppliers as well as manufacturers. By maintaining good relationship with suppliers, of course, they can get low prices for their products. Next. Okay, that's all presentation for me. Now we are in Q&A section. And for the audience, are there any questions?
Can I please?
Okay, Aurora.
My questions is what we can learn from IKEA. Thank you.
Thank you for your question. I think a lot of things we can learn from IKEA, especially in marketing. First, we can experience not just a product. Yeah, that's it. So, shopping at IKEA is different than shopping at the other furniture stores, and it makes IKEA's model a unique experience for its customer. Second, next strong brand identity. The brands that everyone knows are the ones that have a very clear identity. Third, keep it fresh. IKEA always bring new products, so their customer don't get bored with their products. We can also learn about leadership, hardworking, diligent, dare to take risks, learn from experience, and much more. Okay, that's all. Is there anyone who want to ask?
Azara, please.
Okay, Azara.
Okay, my name is Azara Salwa Cantika. My question is, what is IKEA strategy? That's it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So as far as I know, IKEA marketing strategy is based on sophisticated customer research and market research. IKEA actually send design experts into people's homes to listen to their concern and provide feedback. Is there any question again?
Okay, can I?
Okay, go ahead.
I'm Ariandia Azara, and my question is, does IKEA offer the same products to all countries? Thank you.
Okay, thank you. The answer is yes, it does. But those products will be adapted to local culture. For example, display in Sendai, Japan, and Amsterdam could be featured the same beds and cabinets, but the Japanese style may feature tatami mats, which is reflecting the local architecture. Okay, I think this is the end of Q&A section. Next slide, please. Okay, thank you for the audience who have participated in my presentation. May what I have shared to you today can be beneficial for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.